G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video I'm going to be installing the carburetor on the RM125 and also installing the ignition system. Firstly, I'll have to clean out the carburetor. Even though it's had a rebuild kit put through it, it's been sitting around for about a year and I'm assuming it's full of rubbish. So let's get started. Okay, it's been a while since I've worked on the RM, so first thing first, here's the carburetor. And I'll have to clean this out good and proper because you can see in here all the rubbish that has just been getting in here, and it needs a good clean out. Plus it's dirty looking, so we'll get it all sorted out. Actually amazing how clean the inside of this carburetor is, although I do know it did have a carburetor kit put in it not so long ago, so this is going to be a pretty easy job. Okay, I've given the carburetor a really good clean out. The inside of the carburetor was actually really mint. There was nothing in there at all, so it was quite an easy job, mainly just the exterior, and give the carburetor a good check out. So put it back together. when you're doing things, you often concern yourself with camera angles and different things, and I've completely forgot to put this in, so that's what happens when you find spare parts. Okay, the carburetor only really needed a good clean out, and it's good to go, and it's looking pretty good now, so time to install it back onto the bike. Okay, all these overflow hoses and stuff with the carburetor are pretty brittle and looking pretty crappy, so I think I'll just replace it with some new ones. Okay, now the carburetor and ignition system is in place, I'm just kind of wonder if it would spark. Well, we have a spark, we have life, some fuel and an exhaust system, and there'd be no reason why this bike wouldn't run. Okay, got new handlebars, and I've got new handlebar mount adaptation brackets, so we may as well install them while we're going. I'm not going to tighten the handlebars up completely tight because I'll need to do a final adjustment anyway, but for those that are interested, these are the Renthal Villapoto Stewart bend. They're the fat bar, and I think they're going to look pretty sweet on this bike. Watch this video next, or go to the Broken Sprocket video library and choose another top video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. After all, it's for free and guaranteed to make your day 20% better. If you're already a subscriber and you're having a bad day, just think it could have been 20% worse. You can also follow Broken Sprocket on Instagram. So, I'll see you in the next video.